everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 BMW X5 xDrive 50e, a plug-in hybrid luxury SUV that blends electrified efficiency with classic BMW performance. It's where intelligent engineering meets everyday usability. From the outside, the 2025 X5 keeps its iconic, confident stance, muscular yet refined. The updated kidney grille and sleeker LED headlights give it a sharper, more modern look, while subtle blue accents hint at its electrified powertrain. Under the hood, a 3.0-liter inline-six engine paired with an upgraded electric motor. Together, they push out a combined 483 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, that's sports car power in SUV form. It also packs a significantly larger 25.7 kWh battery, giving you up to 40 miles of all-electric range, perfect for short commutes or city driving without using a drop of fuel. Inside, the X5 50e blends technology with luxury. You get BMW's latest curved display running iDrive 8.5, combining a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch infotainment screen, responsive, intuitive, and packed with features like voice controls, navigation, and smartphone integration. Comfort, top tier. Available features include ventilated and massaging seats, a panoramic glass roof, and customizable ambient lighting, all designed to make every drive feel first class. Thanks to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension, the ride is smooth and confident, whether you're cruising the freeway or carving through curves. The 2025 BMW X5 xDrive 50e isn't just a hybrid, it's a refined powerhouse, blending performance, luxury, and eco-consciousness into one smart package. If you're looking for a family-friendly SUV that doesn't compromise on thrill or tech, this one's worth a serious look. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you next time.